Hey beautiful people, I'm Sonakshi Shah, a freelance photographer from Dadra and Nagar Haveli. So the problem which I was facing was of generating leads, follow-ups, marketing strategy and a business pattern. So after joining wedding photography business premium program, I have overcome this problem of generating leads, follow-ups, marketing strategy and by making a beneficial business pattern. And there is a vast change in my mindset of growing my business. I'm more confident than before and I'm more interested in doing creativity and ideas with a positive energy. Next, I would highly recommend wedding photography business if you have a strong vision but no mission, and if you are looking for a mentor and experience, and if you wish to change your life with your business, then wedding photography business is an opportunity that you need to grab it. Because they have come up with something very unique and helpful which no other person in the market is going to teach you. They understand you and your business in such a way that is unexpected, and they help you to motivate you and bring the best out of you. So thank you, Abdullah, for taking a great initiative for photographers. God bless you and keep up the good work.